Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance. Today I am sharing with you another recipe for homemade cough syrup. This most effective syrup works amazingly for persistent old cough, clears chest and gives instant relief. Please try it on my recommendation, you will get the best results. Preparation of syrup is simple and easy. Prepare it once and store for a long time. You can double the recipe according to your requirement. Now start the recipe. You will need vasaka leaves or Malabar nut 250 gram, water 1.5 kg, sugar 250 gram, long pepper 3 grams. Method: take 250 grams of vasaka leaves and clean it thoroughly. Boil it in 1.5 kg of water on low heat. When half a kg of water is left, add 250 grams of sugar and cook on low heat to make a thick syrup. Mix 3 grams of long pepper powder in it. Let it cool and save in a glass bottle. Use 2 teaspoons 3 times a day. Stop using when you get relief. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.